Gionee M30 with massive 10,000 mAh battery, 8GB RAM launched. Price, specifications. Gionee M30 smartphone has been launched in China. It is a mid-range handset that features 8GB of RAM, 128GB of onboard storage, and a massive 10,000 mAh battery. The phone has only two cameras, one on the back and another at the front. Gionee M30 comes with a fingerprint sensor on the back and an encryption chip for security. The launch comes after two new handsets from the Chinese company, one in India and the other in China. Gionee M30 price, availability. The Gionee M30 is priced at 1,399 Chinese yuans, roughly 15,000 rupees. The phone is expected to go on sale in August China via JD.com and other retailers. Offered in a single 8GB plus 128GB storage variant, the phone comes in a sole black color option with a leather finish on the back. Gionee hasn't announced any details on the phone's India release date. Gionee M30 specifications. The Gionee M30 sports a 6-inch HD Plus LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels. Under the hood, it is powered with a MediaTek Helio P60 SoC paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone houses a massive 10,000 mAh battery with support for 25 watts fast charging as well as reverse charging. For photography, the Gionee M30 comes with a single 16-megapixel camera on the back and an 8-megapixel snapper on the front with face unlock feature. The fingerprint sensor is placed below the rear camera module. The phone also comes equipped with a dedicated encryption chip for extra security. For connectivity, the smartphone features a 3.5mm jack, stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C port. Gionee has also launched the Gionee K3 Pro in China with a triple rear camera setup, a water drop style notch and a uniquely placed fingerprint sensor on the camera module. The Chinese company also launched the Gionee Max smartphone in India with an octa-core processor, dual rear cameras, and a large battery. Priced at 5,999 rupees, the phone will go on sale via Flipkart starting August 31st in black, red, and royal blue colors. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.